Alright, what are some things that need to happen here? What do you guys think? How would we solve this? Okay, Sam, start us off.
Multiply both sides by -3.
Okay, now you can multiply by +3 or -3, but you're eventually going to have to deal with that negative.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so if I multiply both sides by negative, what has to happen?
Oh, you multiply the 3 times -1, so it would be -3. It means regular 3.
Yeah, so 3,
Sorry. It's not.
and we have an R on this side, what happens with the sign? It's gotta flip, right? Okay, so if we multiply by a negative, and the quality sign has to change direction. Okay, is everybody good with that so far? Okay, now, does our variable have to be out front?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so what's gonna happen now again?
Flip it back.
It's gonna flip, but you're gonna rotate the whole thing. So you're gonna take this and you've gotta rewrite it, flip the whole thing over. Alright, so it's gonna be R greater than 3, and then line R with your set bracket around it. Okay, so we flipped it because we multiplied by a negative, and then we have to put the variable out front, so we take the whole thing and flip it over. Okay? Alright, is everybody okay with that? Okay. F. Alright, how do we solve F? Bria, what do you got here? How are we gonna solve F?
We're gonna multiply 8.
Close. It is the
Divide,
same-
divide,
Yeah, there you go. We're gonna divide by 8, okay?
Divide
So now does our sign flip here? No, because we're dividing by a positive number. Sign stays. What's 64 divided by 8?
8.
8. Line, Y, and set brackets. Okay? Alright, take a second and try G on your own. Try G on your own. Alright, Naisha, what are we gonna do on this one to solve it?
by -4.
Very good. Alright, so you should divide both sides by -12. G, does my sign need to flip here?
Yes.
Yes, it does. You're dividing by a negative, so sign flips. And what is 150 divided by -12?
-12.5.
-12 and a half. Very good. And then if the directions say set builder, line G, set brackets. Okay?
Wait, so. Okay.
Okay, Bria?
How do you know when to flip it?
When you, so here we're dividing by a -12. So when we multiply or divide by a negative number, sign flips. Okay? Alright, anybody else? Okay, take a second and try H on your own, and I want it in set builder notation. Try H on your own. Alright, so what do we think here? Maddie, start us off. What are we gonna do first?
You have to divide the 49 and -7 by -7.
Okay.
And then you get -7 is greater than.
Did you flip it?
Yeah, I flipped
So it
it.
would be less, right? Looks like an L.
Less than
Okay.
y. And then I flipped it again, and then I got y is equal is less than
Greater.
greater than -7, and then I did put the line and then y, and then I put the brackets.
Good job. Very good. Alright, does anybody have any questions about that? Everybody good? Okay, so down at the bottom here, I went ahead and put a box just with the words, we actually went through this in chapter 1, okay? I know that we maybe don't remember all of it though, so I went ahead and just put a box with what less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, different words that you could use, okay? Alright, and that's to help us when we flip over on the back side here, we're gonna start taking a look at some word problems, okay? Alright, so if I look back here on this back side, it says example 2, write an inequality and solve, write your final solution in set builder notation. Okay, so let's walk through A together here. It says a number increased by 6 is less than negative 4. Okay, so write an inequality. What would an inequality here look like? Okay, Ashley?
X plus 6 is less than negative 4.
Good. So x plus 6 is less than negative 4. Okay, so a number, that's your variable, increased by means addition, 6. And then we talked about this a little bit yesterday. Remember we talked about that is part. Okay, so is less than tells you that's where your inequality sign goes, negative 4. Okay? Alright, so now what would we do to solve this? Ben?
You subtract 6 on both sides, which is negative 10, and you also flip the inequality sign.
Okay, what if I say no you do not?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Oh, because it switches to wait,
Are you multiplying or dividing?
no.
No, okay, no, that's good, okay? So he said we're gonna subtract 6 and flip the sign. We only flip the sign when we multiply or divide, okay? Only when we multiply or divide. So since we're subtracting 6 over to this other side, negative 10, sign stays the same in all addition and subtraction stuff. Okay, only when you multiply or divide by a negative number will it flip. Okay, and then it did say set builder, so line X with your set brackets. Okay? Alright, I want you to try B on your own. B on your own.